Hey, how's it going? It's another beautiful sunny day in Arizona, blue skies. Hey, today, Mictronics here. We're going to review the Greenworks 40 volt lawnmower. This lawnmower it's a 21-inch wide path. It does have an attachment for a side discharge. I've got it set up for rear bagger because I don't like to have the mulch sit on the grass. Inside here is where the battery is, and it's kind of convenient. You can actually push the button. I don't know if you can tell that or not, but you can push and there you go, it'll show you what the power level is on the battery. Controls are pretty simple. Little safety feature, you have to push this button in first, and then you can pull this back and it'll actually get started. Sorry about the background noise, as my neighbors are doing another home improvement project, it sounds like. So let me get this set up and I will show you how it works. Alright, so I've got it up on the grass. One other thing I want to show you is the control height. It's really easy. You just have this one lever and it raises up. I don't know what the full variance is on that, but it actually goes down quite low or relatively high. There's two more settings here. Yeah, that's the top setting, so that's got to be about a 4-inch change in settings. I like to run it right about here, like right in the middle. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. Try to do this one-handed. Like I said, you just actually hold this button down and pull back on the lever. Relatively quiet. It's a lot quieter than a Briggs & Stratton motor. There actually are two speeds on this. It's automatic. So when the lawnmower is like going through this thin grass or not very tall grass, it stays low, but now it probably will. Should start kicking into a higher speed to get through this thicker stuff. Hoping that it does that. But overall, you can see that it does a good job of trimming, walking it just maybe a tad bit below a standard pace. And the grass isn't that long, so I don't know if it's going to get caught or if it's going to, if it's actually going to bump up to that second higher speed. You can hear the sound of the motor kicking up. I like this lower speed because you don't necessarily have to have that extra power to blow it into the bag. The bag's all inflated. And you're saving yourself some battery. My backyard is about probably 25 feet by, I would say 50 feet. Not a big backyard, but this thing works perfect. You don't have to worry about changing oil or getting gas for a gas-powered mower. Before this, I had an electric mower that you had to plug in, so you always had the extension cord following you. That was kind of a pain. As you can see, it does a good job. In terms of mowing. As I continue on with this, yeah, I don't think it's going to kick up to the higher speed. I need to hurry up and mow my grass and water it just because it's drying out so fast. It's only about 11 o'clock, 10:30 in the morning, and look how dry that thing is. Welcome to Arizona, and welcome to trying to keep the grass, keep the lawn green here in Arizona. Alright guys, it's all done. I said, my backyard is not very big. The dry spots over there, but I got it done in like 15 minutes. This Greenworks machine is actually really handy for a smaller yard. I don't know how it would do on a big yard. I read some reviews where they run out of battery. This actually does come with 2 batteries. The second place to store battery is there, but remember when we started, this was fully charged. Let's see where we're at. So I've used about 50% of the battery, so I should be able to finish or mow the grass one more time on one battery. I've got the other battery inside charged. Overall, it's really nice. It's got adjustments for height, for the handle, and then, like I say, the bag itself is real easy. Just pull it back this way, pull it out, dump it, and then set it back on these hangers and close it back up. It's a great machine. Like I said, I don't have to worry about gas or oil for a gasoline powered mower or an extension cord for an electric mower. So it's a good investment. I really like doing it. I kind of look forward to mowing my grass now than before. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe and like, and leave a comment if you'd like. Thanks again. Have a great day.